Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love to the entire world. My YouTube fans and friends and family, I come to you this morning again with another video. I'm doing a little bit of cooking, so I'd like you guys to take a look at what I'm cooking and see if you know what I'm cooking. Right? Just take a look and let me know if you know what I'm cooking and how I'm cooking it. All right? So you guys just stay with me. All right? What is this, people? If you guys can tell me what is this and how I'm cooking it, that me are going with an idea, you know? And then we got some peas a boil over here. This me know we know. Me have some peas a boil. So just stick and stay with me. All right? Me I gotta season up my rice pot now. I put in some coconut milk in it. Season him up. And then wash my rice. And get ready to put in my rice. So let's go and stay with me. And a natural coconut I use. I use the coconut powder. You know, the natural coconut, you know. So I utilize up some coconut powder. Yeah, coconut powder I use. I'm gonna mix it up and then put it in the pot, you know. Alright, so let's go and stay with me. Season up me rice and peas pot. I'm gonna just drop a scotch bonnet in it. And that season up, that just a boil, you know. Yeah. And over here so now, I don't know if you don't know what this yet, but so I base him up. Base him. Brown and pretty. See him brown and pretty? Base him up now. and me make him go and roast, you know. Yeah. Look at him brown. Take me time and I roast him. Yes, guys. Wash my rice and put it in. So I get a little stir now and make it go and cook, you know. Taking time and cook. See him? Take a close up look on him. Wash him and put him in a gungo, you know, gungo rice and peas. That me make an idea, you know. So make that go and cook. I mean, I know if you know, none of you guys didn't comment and tell me what I'm cooking. So me I go tell you no guys what me I cook here. This is a small pork shoulder pot roast. Me a pot roasting. See how nice him is? Pot roast, my pot roast. Not ready yet, you know. I come along still, but it might have a little while to go, you know. But a pot roast, my pot roasting. Roast him in the pot, you know. Don't whip of water. No, just tip a little water and just see the bottom of it, and a little bit of oil. And me just have him there. I take him time and I roast him in the pot, you know. The only thing with mine, me like, when him almost roast still, me like cut in some Irish and just put in like big slices of Irish, you know. Yeah. And just put in it, make it go and roast in the juice there too. And carrot. That's all I like putting at this, cause this well seasoned, you know. This season up like to the bone. Me have this now season up for 3 days. And I soak. Me always season my one them for 3 days and make them go and soak. And then me put them in the pot and pot roast them, you know. See how beautiful? Garlic, everything in it for 10 time up, you know. So look how I'm brown. I come up brown and nice. Right? So me I go get some Irish and drop in there. Peel some Irish and drop in there. So when me do that, me show you what I go on. So stay with me here. Yes. So me cut out my Irish them now. And put my Irish them in there. Me no cut them small, you know. Me just peel them, wash them, and make them good size. That means they can stay in there and roast. Then roast with the pork, you know. So when the pork done now, then we take the time and roast too. And steam and pretty, you know. Tastes good. The only thing me always put carrot in there, guys, but guess what now? Me not know carrot. Carrot done and me no know. So that me have to go get, you know. Me have to go get carrot. No carrot no there. So me I work with my Irish them. You know. So me I go cover that. And make that go on. Taking time and pot roast, you know. And look, see. Look on rice and peas. Rice and peas coming along. Beautiful. Give him a little stir. Let's give him a light stir. And make him go and cook, you know. make that go on and taking time and cook, you know. Yeah. I'm gonna turn him down a little bit more. Yeah. I'm making cook. So just go and stay with me. And when we come back to him again, we pick it up and show you guys what I go on. Alright? Yes, guys. See that now? Cook on potato them. Potato them bake. Up on pork. Pork shoulder almost ready. So what me I go do now, guys? I'm gonna slice it up and put it back in the pot. And then show you what the final touch look like, right? Look there. Pretty. And over here, so rice ready. Rice, gungo rice and peas. See that? Gungo rice and peas ready. Ready. Them Shelly. This ready. Right? So just stick and stay with me. I'm gonna slice this up and put him back in the pot, and then I'm gonna show you the final touch, what the final touch look like. Alright? So let's go and stick and stay with me. Yes, my people. Look there now. Slice him up. Nice and spicy. Slice him up. But that are the bone. Well left off of it. See my potato them now? Everything nice and beautiful. Right? Nice. I done. Pot roast it, you know. Right in the pot here, so I roast him. I'm slice him up. Eating time, you know. And see there? Rice ready. Gungo peas. Rice and peas. That ready. Pork. Pot roast pork ready. Everything ready, guys. Alright, so eating time, you know. So we soon eat, you know. Alright, so let's go and stay with me. Yes, guys, food finish up now, you know. I'm ready to eat. So, a time to eat, and we're going to eat. So, I'm going to end the video right here, so. And again, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by, watching my videos. Thank you for liking them up, sharing them up, guys. And I'm getting a good amount of views, which I appreciate so much. But I'm asking you guys, please. Subscription is free. It's free to subscribe. So while you're viewing, just hit that subscription button for me, please. All right? Just while you're viewing my videos, which I know when I see that you guys are viewing the videos, just hit the subscription button. It's free. It's of no cost. All right? And I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a blessed evening, night, day, morning. All right? And blessed love.